Alright guys, so I start out my day with figuring out what kind of soap I'm gonna make and writing down the recipe. Also be doing this aloe vera tonight, not the small one that's being planted. Excuse my phone cover, but the small one, I'll be doing this tonight after I'm done with these turmeric soaps. So let's go ahead and get settled in and start. So I'm just gonna do my measurements for my oil. I'll use my olive oil for my turmeric. This. And I'm gonna add my coconut oil. This is a new one, so ooh, it's hard. I don't know if it's because it's cold. I like to measure it when it's still hard. All right, put that in. So this one is ready. This one. Okay, so this one is 80% coconut. We're gonna go ahead and open another one. Olive oil. That's exactly 2.3 pounds of oil. Okay, so we're mostly done with the oils. Okay. And then we got our lye. This is how I melt all of my oils, my coconut oil for the soap. Alright guys, this is my little workstation. In case of you guys are wondering where my little workstation is, I'm heating up the first batch, and this is what's left, the other batch. So I'm making honey and turmeric, and then just a turmeric soap. These are customized order that I'm making for someone who made an order for it. Oops, almost knocked down my little station. And yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and make those order. I'm not gonna do a separate videos for them because I already have videos of my coconut and turmeric. So we're just gonna go ahead and make this a vlog style on. All right, so it's all melted except for this little buddy over here. So we're gonna go ahead and transfer it to back to the plastic container. Heating up the second batch, which is 80% olive oil. Well, it's actually 60% olive oil, 20% avocado oil, and then another 20% coconut oil. So yeah, this is the coconut oil, avocado oil, and olive oil. And to know the difference is I marked the containers. So the one with the shorter mark is the coconut, 80% coconut. Yeah, so we're just waiting for the other oil to be ready, but here's the other set and we're just waiting. Yeah, so we're all done with the let's see if you can tell which one is coconut. Can you tell with the colors? Like the coconut is a little lighter, the olive oil is a little darker because of the olive color. So yeah, this is the olive, and this is how I can tell which one is which because they're all the same container. The colors here, you can tell the difference. One is lighter and one is dark. So this is the coconut and this is the olive oil, and everything is almost done. We're just waiting for things to cool off. The lye is ready, so now we're just waiting for the oil to be ready, and we're gonna go ahead and start making soap. Okay, so the oil and the lye is cooling off. I'm gonna go ahead. I got this lavender buds to put into my just the turmeric one without the honey, so I'll know the difference because they're all gonna have the same color. Even if I add honey, it's gonna be a little bit darker, but it's not really gonna, you can't tell a difference. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the lavender buds to put on the turmeric one, and then that way I'll know the difference. And while that's getting ready, I'm gonna go ahead and get my blender ready. Just make sure it's kind of loose. Making sure it's nice and plugged in. Okay, everything is all set. We're gonna go ahead and get started. So this is my favorite part after everything is all prepared. This is the coconut one. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and mix it up again. Sorry, guys. I had to take a little break because I'm a working mom. I have a little one sitting in my back, African style. So now we're gonna go ahead and mix up our lye. As a little close up. Alright, so this is basically ready. I don't know if y'all could see. Alright, so you guys could see now. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and mix up my turmeric and then honey. Honey goes in last. 1 tablespoon of turmeric. Ooh. Turmeric has a strong earthy smell. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and add our honey. It's 1 tablespoon per pound. So we're gonna go ahead and measure our batter. It's 3 pounds, around 3 pounds. All right, so that's 3 teaspoons. Go ahead and mix it. Okay, the honey, because it has a lot of sugar, it can make it accelerate very quickly. I'm gonna go ahead and add my tea tree oil, essential oil, tea tree essential oil. And this bottle, it's a sample bottle, so it comes a little bit of it. So I'll go ahead and add the whole thing. Ooh, tea tree smells really good actually, so I might start adding it to it. It's an essential oil, so it's not really too harsh on your body. Thickening up really quickly because of the sugar and we're gonna get the purple mold. It's gonna be the can you guys see? Here. So we're gonna smack it down and make sure that there's no bubbles. Closer look. Oh my goodness, I actually love this texture. Like, come on now. I don't know how it happened, but this is a beautiful texture. Guys, next we're doing just turmeric, and this is the most easiest ones. So I'm gonna go ahead and add my lavender buds. I can just add it in the bottom. It's just gonna be everywhere at this point. Mostly in the middle, but it has a little bit of scent, so I'm gonna add it the whole top. The whole top is gonna be lavender, guys. That's gonna mean that I'm gonna be using more lavender, so that's okay. Since it's unscented, at least it will get a little bit of scent from the lavender buds. So yeah, that's it. I'll do the cutting in a separate video. I'll probably do the cutting for only this one because the honey and turmeric kind of takes a little longer for me to cut it. So let me give you guys a close-up. So this is the close-up. Guys, that's all for this vlog. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please go ahead and give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and if you're new, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you can join the Voyager crew. I hope you enjoyed this one, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.